Okay, this is like the gap. Pull that back. Pull it back a couple notches. See, that slows the tractor down. Okay, now put it in first. So you pull it, push. Okay, now all the way to the left and then back. It might not be in there. You'll be able to tell. Okay. There you go. And when it falls in that hole up there, that's when you know to stop. When the back wheels fall in that, no, keep on going when the back wheel falls in the hole. There you go. Good job. You did good.
Did you have one? Did you see that down there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, it's just 1, 2, 3, and then reverse. Always remember, reverse is the first one up here. But I think once now that you can see where it is, you'll be able to find the gear.
Now you can start it.
Dad, you hold on.
Lock the brake. Hold it down. Hold that lever off there. Push it all 4 hours you can push it. Now. Put the gas on. And show it.
Okay, look down up under there. There's a little clear bowl. You see it? Up under there, about where his hand is, it's a little clear bowl.
You're right there where my finger is. It's the petcock. All right, you want to turn that
Clockwise.
clockwise. It gets hard.
Isn't that right? Clockwise?
Yeah. You don't have to do it real hard when you get to the end. You get it all.
That's probably got it.
Let me see.
1 turn or so.
No, you done anything like the wrong way.
Oh, I might have told him wrong.
You want to turn it that way. You want to turn it this way.
What was that, counterclockwise?
Clockwise.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and turn that thing clockwise.
That's probably got it, ain't it?
It don't have to be real tight. Just you can tell when you get to the end.
It's not going at all.
You still turning it?
It's not going at all.
Okay, you got it tight there. Let's see.
That's so the gas don't all leak out. You did a good job putting it in the building, golly. It's a tight squeeze in there.